When it comes to U2018 special editions, BMW pretty much leads the way. Although Ducati and Triumph, in particular, have their own successful lines of U2018 specials. Bikes like the Tricolor or Steve McQueen Bonnie spring to mind, while the UK importers of Suzuki, Kawasaki and Yamaha are increasingly producing U2018 Touring or U2018 Adventure packs and suchlike for existing models. BMW's U2018 Triple Black, U2018 Raleigh, and the like pretty much outallure them all. The latest is this K1300S, U201830th anniversary, which has been created to mark the 3 decades since the launch of the original K. The K100 or U2018 Flying Brick as it became known, in 1983. As such, I reckon that gives this special a better reason for being than most. While the Triple Blacks were an unprompted styling exercise, and the Raleighs built as some kind of homage to BM's Dakar Rally winning bikes, the K's 30th anniversary is truly significant, marking the brave birth of BMW's all-new, liquid-cooled, longitudinal 4, a radical departure from almost every aspect of previous BM offerings and conceived to eventually replace its traditional air-cooled Boxer twins. It's still questionable whether the K series was a total success. Certainly it didn't completely replace the Boxers. Indeed, an all-new, oil-cooled Boxer was introduced in 1993, which remained the bedrock of BM's range until its succession by this year's new liquid-cooled GS. While little of the original K series concept survives, its descendants are now all more conventional in being transversely arranged. Like, for example, the bulk of Japan's offerings. While the remaining K range is significantly smaller, comprising just 2 4 and 2 6-cylinder models. The recent F-Class parallel twins now supplying BMW's middleweights. But, hey, let's not be picky, the Ks are worth celebrating and, once again, BMW has created a special worthy of the name. The key to all of these specials are, of course, factory accessories, and this is BMW's trump card. When it comes to ladling on the factory options, it helps if there's an impressive range to choose from, and, as always, BMW has them in spades. So, first off, the U201830th Annie gets with luxury factory fit options such as ESA2, BMW's clever and nifty electronic suspension adjustment system, its U2018 safety package of RDC, BMW's tire pressure monitoring system, and ASC, automatic stability control, or, to you and me, BM's traction control system, plus BMW's onboard computer system. Quote,